Please share this to your downlines for new members, okay, that you're bringing in. Now, after they have registered and gotten their NFT, if they want to check if they have received the NFT, let them click on this My NFT. Okay, once they see this, that means they already have the NFT. Now, when you go back, sometimes people will complain that when they click on something like this, they will not see their NFT. This is what many people are doing. If you are not joining a group, you want to do personal earnings, some of them will go and be clicking on this first one, this one that has 98%. If you click on it, this is what you will see. There will not be any NFT here. Okay, this one that has 98%, there will not be any NFT. So always tell them to make use of this one, this second one. This is if they want to do it personally, like they don't want to join any group, they just want to do their normal earnings. But this one will give them 100%. This group earnings offer 101%. That is why most of us are doing this group earnings. So if they go for this one, they can see their NFT. I've already done my task, so I cannot do it again. And another thing I want to say is that task is once in a day. You cannot do two tasks in a day. If you have already done your personal task without joining a group, there is no way you can join a group to do task again. And if you have already joined your up planners group or anybody's group and you have received your earnings, there is no way you can go back and do your personal task. If you want to do your personal task, it will not work. So task is once in a day. Pass this information to your downlines. All right, so let them understand this.